Hey everybody, we are going to make a cat hat today. You're going to need a piece of poster board or construction paper. Poster board's heavier duty and works better. A little scrap of pink, a long ruler, a pencil, a stapler or glue, and a pair of scissors. And all you're going to do is you are going to measure off a headband by drawing a line across your poster board. Cut that out. You'll have a long strip. You're going to bring that around. I've measured this to fit now, and I want my staple to be on the inside with the smooth part against my child's head. That way you don't catch their hair, whereas you can see this could catch on their hair or give them a scratch, but that smooth side will not do that. I'm going to cut off the excess here, and I'm going to go to the opposite side, and I am going to staple that on. There we go. Next, we are going to cut a little nose out of our pink scrap paper. So I'm just going to make it sort of triangular, like that. And we'll glue the nose or staple the nose right here on the end. And then we just need to add some ears. So a couple of triangles. I'm going to fold my paper over so that I can cut two identical triangles. There's two triangles. And I will staple those, sticking up, and we will have a cute little cat mask. Have fun being cuties. Have a good day.